your Ncert Cbse book, and we are going to see the relations and functions. What do we mean by relation and function? See, you have a brother. Okay, he may be your elder, and he may be your junior. So the relationship between you and your brother is what? Elder, senior, or equal. You may be twins. So the relationship which we are talking about is exactly what we are going to see in this chapter, but in the mathematical form. We search for patterns in mathematics and in normal life also. We search for patterns. In mathematics, for example, if we have a number m, it can be equal to n, it can be less than n, or it can be greater than n. So this greater, less, or equal is a relation, right? So this is the relationship we are talking about. And we have already seen in our sets. What we have done in sets? We have done in sets that we have made sets according to some objects which share some relationship, like, or they share some property, like set of even number, set of odd number, set of class 11th student, set of boys in class 11th, set of girls in class 11th. So these are the different sets we have made. Now this is one set and this is another set. There has to be a relationship. We will talk about that relationship in this chapter. So first of all, let us take set A. Now by first chapter you are aware what exactly this is. A set, how it is written. So there are two sets. Say first set is the set of colors. The second set is what? The second set is the set of objects. These objects are what? BCS. B stands for bag, C stands for coat, and S here stands for shirt. So a bag can be red, it can be, a coat can be red, and all combinations are possible. So the number of combinations which are possible is the Cartesian product of two sets. We'll see if this is red and this is blue. So red is what? Blue. It can be blue. Red can be blue. Red can be this bag can be your blue, or bag can be red. Again, coat can be blue or coat can be red. In a similar fashion, the shirt can be blue or it can be red. So the combination is red B, red C, red S, blue B, blue S, blue S. So we have distinct 6 objects in the Cartesian products. We know how we are going to write the ordered pairs of the elements. So these are the ordered pairs. Now let us formally see them, because this P comma Q is the ordered set where P belongs to the first set and Q belongs to the second set. So that by definition, if there are two non-empty sets P and Q. Why non-empty? Because if there is empty set, there will be no result of your Cartesian product. So the non-empty sets P and Q, the Cartesian product P into Q is the set of all ordered pairs of element from P and Q. That means P into Q means P comma Q. These are the ordered pairs where P belong to capital P and small q belong to capital Q. Either this P or Q is the null set, then this P cross Q or the Cartesian product is going to give you a null or an empty set. So this A cross B is what? As we have just seen this result. Let us take another example. Say this is Delhi, this is Madhya Pradesh, and this is Karnataka, and there is a relationship we want to find out, or some combination we have to find out, that the first one should be DL, that is the set A, and the second is the number, that is it may start with 0, 0, 2, 0, 3. So what all combinations are possible? DL01, DL02, DL03, MP01, MP02, MP03, K01, K02, K03. So these are the combinations. These are the all combinations in A cross B. So this is our Cartesian product. This is our Cartesian product. Now this Cartesian product is very important because the relationship which we are going to talk today will be taken, or these are the ordered pairs. Some of them will follow certain relationship. So these are very important. Please understand them. So we see how many numbers are there. 3 were there in DL set and 3 were there in 0, 1 set. So 3 into 3, how many are there? 9. So in the Cartesian product, 9 such pairs are possible. And since there are 3 in A, 3 in B, so that is why it is 9. Let us take one more example before we actually go to the definitions. This set is A1, A2. B is B1, B2, B3, B4. How you are going to get that? A1 with B1, B2, B3, B4, as you see here. And A2 with B1, the combination would be something like this. A2 with B1, B2, B3 and B4. This is how you're going to get it. So this is the A cross B. So how many ordered pair or ordered pair set you are going to get? How many of A1, A2 is there? Means set A has 2 values and B has 4 values. So just multiply this 4 by your 2. 4 by 2, and what you are going to get? 4 into 2 is nothing but 8. So the 2 ordered pairs, they are equal. This you need to understand that they are equal. This I say A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2. That means A1 has to be equal to A2 and B1 has to be equal to B2. So the corresponding value has to be equal. If the set A has P elements and set B has Q elements, then there will be how many elements? PQ elements in AB. So the number of elements in A is P, number of element in B is Q. So the number of final element in A cross B Cartesian product is PQ, right? See, if A and B are non-empty set, either of A and B is infinite, then A cross B is going to be infinite, because infinite number of ordered pairs can be formed. Then A cross A cross A, or A cross A cross A cross A, or A cross A cross A cross A cross A. So there can be any number of sets that can be multiplied. This particular set of 3 is called as triplet, because you will find 3 values here. Now let us take an example. X plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 comma 1. What is suggested is x plus 1 has to be equal to 3. See, we have written this. And y minus 2 has to be equal to 1. Y minus 2 has to be equal to 1. So what you get here, x is equal to what? 2, and y is equal to 3. Again, let us take a set P and Q. You want to find out P into Q. So A with R, B with R and C with R. So this is P cross Q. And Q cross P means R with A, R with B and R with C. So Q cross P will be RA, RB, RC. And why this question is there, you need to understand that P cross Q Cartesian product is not always equal to Q cross P. It may be equal, but not always. Then the numbers of element you have just seen here, they are equal, but still we don't see them equal. Now we have another example. Here the set is A, B and C. What we need to find out is A cross B intersection C. So B intersection C, intersection means we are going to find out the common values. So B is this, C is this. Which are the common value? 4. Only 4 is the common value. So 4 is the common value. So let us take the common value. So B intersection C is going to be 4. Please understand this, because in these things we are going to use these results. So B and this intersection C is going to give you 4. Now when we multiply A with this 4, A is what? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 with 4 is 1, 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. Now second is A cross B intersection A cross C. For that you have to find out A cross B. That means 1, 3, 1, 4 likewise. So 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. This will be A cross B. And A cross C will be what? 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 and likewise. So 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 and 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. And what can be the intersection? This is 1, 4, 1, 4. This you see in both of these. 2, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4, 3, 4. Now the next is B union C. What you are going to get in B union C? 3, 4 and 4 is there. So 3, 4, 5, 6. This is B union C. When we multiply A cross B union C, so A is what? A is 1, 2, 3. So just multiply this with this. Cartesian. This is the result. Final is A cross B union A cross C. A cross B you just got from here. A cross C you just got from here. So let us just find the union. So combine them and just avoid repeating the duplicates. Now this example 4 is you have P is equal to 1, 2. You have to find out P into P into P. So what you are going to get? First you find P into P, that is 1, 2, 1, 2 into 1, 2. So that will give you 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 1, 2, 2. Then that set has to be multiplied again with 1, 2. So you'll get this result. Another example is if R is the set of all real numbers, what do the Cartesian product R into R and R into R into R represent? If R is the set of all real numbers, this R into R, which is actually shown by x comma y, where x and y belong to R, and the second one is R into R, where x, y, z belong to R. So what this suggests is, the first one is actually the coordinates of all the points in two-dimensional space. While this R into R, these are the coordinates of all the points in the 3D space. This is for 2D and this is for 3D. Okay. Now example 6 is A cross B is P comma Q, P comma R, M comma Q, M comma R. You have to find A and R. You are aware that the first element has to belong to A. So what are the first elements? P, M and R. So just write P comma M because we are not repeating PP. You can just write once. So P comma M. The other element has to belong to the second set. What it will be? Q, R, Q, R. So just write Q, R. This is the result. Now the relations. So this is very important topic and we are going to see this relations in the next discussion. So till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.